Hi dearies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time coming across me, seeing my face, nice meeting you. This is HBM Organic Beauty and welcome to my channel. So today we are making body glow oil for kiddies, and I'll be dropping recipe. I'm not making practical, but I'll be giving you the recipes. And we all know that children's skin are so sensitive, so when dealing with children you have to mind the kind of ingredients you use in making their skincare products. So many people come to me, they tell me my child is having sunburn, can I use this for my child, can I use it? And I was like for crying out loud, why would a child have sunburn? Your child shouldn't have sunburn, for crying out loud. For your child to have sunburn, that means you've been applying a harsh chemical product on your child. Believe me, that is what you've been doing. So now I'm gonna be telling you a recipe you can use to correct every damages that has happened to your child's skin. This body glow oil for kiddies is actually a brightening body glow oil to glow your children's skin and leave their skin popping. Like when I mean popping, so the number one ingredient you'll be needing for this body glow oil is number one, we need papaya. Papaya is called pawpaw. Please, pawpaw. So we need papaya. Get papaya, a fresh papaya, a fresh pawpaw. We also need fresh carrots, okay? We need fresh avocado. Is it avocado or avocado? Wash your carrots very well. If possible, use a knife and peel off the carrot back so that you'll be working on clean carrots. Dice your carrot into pieces, pour into a blender, get your papaya, peel off the back, dice it into pieces, pour into the blender, okay, where you've added your carrot. Then peel off your avocado, then remove the seed of your avocado, then put the fruits of your avocado into the same blender where you've added your pawpaw and your carrots, okay? So after you've added the avocado into the blender, the next ingredient you need to add is your chamomile bud. Yes, add chamomile bud into the blender. Another ingredient you also need to add is your lavender bud. Lavender bud and chamomile bud, they are very good on kiddies' skin. They help in soothing and calming of all skin irritations that your children have or that may arise during the process of using this body glow oil. So you can see this body glow oil is more or less like a treatment oil also. Now turn on the blender and blend those fruits. After you've blended those fruits, pour them in a bowl, set aside. Now the oils that we'll be using as a base to extract all the nutrients in those fruits, we'll be needing sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is cheap, very, very cheap, okay? You can use any other kind of oils that is very good. You can use jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very great for glowing the skin. But just because I want to give you this recipe on a low budget, pour 500 ml of sunflower oil into a clean non-stick pan, frying pan, okay? Then add in your oil, sunflower oil, okay? When the sunflower oil becomes hot a little, please, a little, pour in your grated fruits. Then you start giving it a stir. But make sure that you turn on your gas on the lowest heat, please. You don't want to burn the fruits. You don't want to burn your oil. You don't also want your oils to lose nutrients. You don't just want to apply empty oil. You want to apply oil that has gathered, that has extracted nutrient of the papaya, the carrots, and the avocado, okay? Now, you keep stirring those fruits that is in the oil. You keep stirring, please, on a low heat. I didn't say you should turn on the whole gas. On a low heat, the lowest, just lowest, please. Do not overdo, okay? Fry until you cannot find any trace of water in the oil any longer. When there's no more trace of water in the oil, bring the mixture down. Please do not burn your fruits. Do not burn your oil also. It has to be fried on the lowest heat. On the lowest heat, please. Okay? And do not over fry. Once you see that the oil has extracted the color of the papaya or extracted the color of the fruits, just bring it down, okay? bring it down. So when you bring it down, pour it in a sieve, or you can use a cheesecloth, squeeze out the excess oil, allow the oil to cool down. So once your oil has cooled down, just add 10 ml of vitamin E oil, 10 ml of vitamin E oil into the oil and give it a stir. Okay, give it a very good stir, then bottle, and you have your brightening body glow oil for kiddies. I really appreciate your feedback on the recipe I have dropped, so give it a trial, get back to me please. So like I said, instead of sunflower oil, you can use jojoba oil, you can use baobab oil, you can use which other oil, you can also choose to get carrot oil, you get avocado oil, and you also buy papaya oil and mix these oils together. So thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, today's recipe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel now. So see you in my next video. Bye.